Hello guys, hope all of you are doing good. Today I'm here to share one of my experiences of one of the most 3 difficult hours I spent in one of the exam. So that exam was information technology. There is a paper in second module in CS Professional when we were writing called as information technology. The subject is easy, but what happened in that particular subject during the exam is this story. Actually, when I'm narrating, I feel nostalgic because this is what I personally, experienced on that day. So we had 3 papers in that particular module, and my first 2 papers went on really well, and I was really confident on it. When it was the time for the 3rd paper, I went with the same zeal to the class and I could see all happy faces. And the teacher started giving us the question paper. And all of you would have experienced this in your life in a classroom during exam time. Whenever the paper is very difficult, we have this tendency of looking at each other. Though they are not connected to us, but still we look at each other so that there is a satisfaction that yes, not only my life is screwed, but all of the people who are sitting here, everyone's life is screwed. Yeah, you get that. I hope you are able to connect to me. So that was one of that day where they gave us the paper and it turned to be very difficult. At that particular point of time, my mind was telling 2 things. We started writing the exam, and as the time passed by, people started leaving the hall. So one part of my mind was telling, you're done. It is again 6 months what your success is being postponed. You're again done. Go back. Can't you see people leaving the classroom? You're no way different. Just leave the room. Why are you still sitting here? At least go do something else. At least go enjoy, leave, you're done, your success is again postponed. One part of my mind was constantly telling me this. But other part of my mind was telling, wait, can't you see people are leaving the class as it is? Meaning people are getting eliminated in the class itself. Means your competitors are eliminated in the class only. Second one, always remember whenever the paper itself is difficult, I'm not talking about how you have prepared, but whenever the paper is difficult, always remember it is difficult for everyone writing in Pan India. So all you need to do there is to push and believe in yourself, because only then you can make the difference. Third one, my mind said that write whatever you could. When you were able to slog for the previous 6 months, can't you just sit in that chair and write for the next 3 hours? Can't you do that for your own career and life? So these things constantly kept running in my mind, and I started writing whatever I knew with more confidence. I presented my answers really well. I made it more attractive. Whatever the answers I knew, I presented them with very confidence and detailing. All I told myself is you need to manage these 3 hours, because that is all I could do sitting in that particular exam hall. I cannot blame myself for whatever I have done for 6 months. All I could do is think prospectively. So I managed to come out of the exam hall. It was the day of result. On the day of result, I was shocked and I was in tears. I could see that I have cleared the paper, and not only the paper, I finally was a CS. The dream which my heart carried for years together was finally true. It was reality. Then I just said for myself, yes, the 3 hours of whatever life I underwent made the difference. So it's the same for you guys. Always there are 2 minds which are constantly talking to us every time. One will always try to pull you, the other one It might take time, but it will give you a positive result. So always believe in that person and always put that person in front of you in wherever you represent. I hope each one of you are going to face whatever situation it is with the positive mindset you have. So that's my experience, and I would love to share such experiences if you have any. So let us see you again in the next week. See you back on next Tuesday. Bye bye guys.